member of EY, to explain the different steps of the bidding process and the different likely scenarios.
Ji, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Thank you so much for being here as we take this process ahead. So I'll just very quickly give you a very simple overview of how the bidding process is going to skim through. There are, as you've all already noticed, the seal bid forms are available with us. Inshallah, shortly we will be opening the seal bid forms, and based on the outcomes, we have potential 5 scenarios that can be taken forward. Scenario number 1, inshallah, this is the one we're all hoping for, is where 3 bidders are over the minimum expected price. We go into the open auction. The starting price for the open auction will essentially be the highest price of whichever bidder has been put forward over the minimum expected price. Now, this will be applicable if all 3 of them are higher, or even if 2 are higher than the minimum expected price. Another scenario we have is in the event all 3 bidders or 2 bidders are within an 80% threshold of the minimum expected price. We would still step into an open auction, but the starting price of this open auction would be the minimum expected price. The bidders, of course, will have the option to start from the minimum expected price, but if we do not go down that route, then we will go to a right of first refusal. Scenario 3 is if 1 bidder is over the minimum expected price and 2 are lower, either in the 80% threshold, lower than the 80% threshold, the highest bidder will be the one that will be over the minimum expected price. And scenario 4 and 5, if all of the bidders are below, let's say, either 80% or below the 80% threshold, it's sort of right of first refusal will apply, where the Privatization Commission will go to the highest bidder in each scenario and ask them to match the minimum expected price, and the first person to do so will be declared the highest bidder. In the event this does not happen, then the Privatization Commission has the authority to ask for a sort of final best offer from each of the respective bidders in the order of preference, and accordingly the decision will go on from there. So I hope that clarifies, and with that I'll just invite Basit on the stage to just proceed ahead with the bid opening. Thank you very much.
We shall now commence the second round of the bidding process with opening the bids. And for that, I request Mr. Abdul Basit to please come forward. The sealed box will be opened and the bid envelopes will be taken out of the box in order of submission of the bid documents. May I please request the authorized representative of Lucky Cement to please come forward. The PC official to please take Lucky Consortium's bid out of the box.
This reserve price will be announced later on? Okay, after the opening.
Authorized representative of Lucky Consortium to check if the sealed bid is intact. PC official to read the bid aloud.
So the total bid in the first round that has been submitted by the Lucky Cement is rupees 101 billion and 500 million only. 101 billion and 500 only. 101,500,000,000,000. 101.5 billion. 101.5 billion.
The authorized representative of Lucky Cement to please sign the record sheet as well. Now we move to opening of this. May I now request the authorized representative of Air Blue to please come forward. PC official to please take out the bid. PC official to read the bid aloud.
The bid that the Pakistan Air Blue has submitted is 26,500,000,000. 26,500,000,000. 26500000000.
The authorized representative of Air Blue to please sign the record sheet. This leads us to the third and the final envelope. May I now request the authorized representative of AHCL to please come forward. PC official to please take out the bid. Please read it aloud.
The bid submitted by Arif Habib Consortium is 115 billion. Rupees 115 billion. $115,000,000,000,000. 115 billion.
All the bids have been opened, recorded, and the record sheet signed. We will take a brief break for the financial and the legal consultants to reassess, and then we'll come back again. Just 5 minutes break.